So we're gonna make the Mediterranean BALELA salad. It's a simple chickpea salad. And then make this amazing dressing. It's tangy and spicy and delicious and refreshing, and paired with all of that lemon zest and lemon juice and lots of crunchy veggies and chickpeas. It is a fabulous chickpea salad. If you like chickpea salads, do check out my chickpea dill salad. That is super refreshing and summery as well. Check out all of my chickpea salad sandwiches that take literally 15 minutes to put together. There's the buffalo chickpea salad sandwich, the jalapeno popper chickpea salad sandwich, the Cajun, the Mediterranean, the curry chickpea salad sandwich, and so many more. Those are listed in the description below. So let's make this BALELA chickpea salad. I know there are a ton of chickpea salads, but they all taste so different and they are so easy. For the dressing, we need some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, some sumac, or you can use cumin or any other flavors that you want, some pepper flakes, also add some salt, and some lemon zest and some lemon juice. Add as much lemon zest as you want because it adds such a refreshing flavor. Mince up that garlic. Whisk all of that and your dressing is ready. Chop up a bunch of the vegetables. Some cherry or grape tomatoes, whichever you have. You're gonna halve them. You're gonna add as much green herbs as you like because the herbs give it that nice summery, springy flavor. And I know the people who have a keen eye probably recognize that this is not parsley, it's cilantro. But you do you. Use parsley or use cilantro, whichever herb you prefer. Add the chickpeas in, all of our chopped pepper, and all of the dressing. That's our gorgeous chickpea salad. That's zesty, refreshing, and absolutely delicious. You can serve it as is as a side, or with some toasted sourdough, or make wraps with some pita bread and hummus. It's just fabulous. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And that is our BALELA salad in our flatbread.
Bursting with flavor. Literally bursting.